Maya was always there for everyone. Always. The friend who replied first, the one who remembered birthdays, the one who stayed awake listening to people cry at night, the one who cancelled her own plans just to help others feel better. But somehow, nobody was ever truly there for her. At first, Maya ignored it. She told herself she was overthinking. But little by little, painful patterns began to appear. Her friends only called when they needed emotional support. Nobody invited her anywhere, unless someone else cancelled. In group photos, she somehow always stood at the edge. Even when she spoke, people interrupted her like her voice did not matter. And the worst part, Maya laughed through all of it because she did not want anyone to know how deeply it hurt. One evening, Maya sat quietly in a crowded restaurant with the same group of friends she had loved for years. Everyone was laughing loudly, talking over each other, taking pictures, and suddenly, one of her friends raised a glass and said, smiling, "To the people who matter most." Everybody cheered, but nobody looked at Maya. Nobody noticed how silent she became. At that moment, something inside her quietly broke. That night, Maya got home, locked her door, and stared at herself in the mirror for a very long time. She looked exhausted. Not physically, emotionally. The kind of tiredness that comes from feeling invisible for too long. Tears slowly rolled down her face as one painful question entered her mind. When was the last time somebody chose me first? The silence in the room felt louder than anything she had ever heard. For days after that, Maya became unusually quiet. She stopped texting first, stopped begging people to notice her, stopped forcing herself into places where she clearly was not valued. At first, nobody noticed her absence, and somehow, that hurt even more. Weeks passed, then months. One day, Maya made a decision that would completely change her life. She disappeared quietly. Not out of revenge, but because she finally realized something important. She had spent so much time trying to be loved by others that she never learned how to love herself. So while everybody else continued living normally, Maya began rebuilding herself in silence. She started waking up early, started reading books about confidence and healing, started going on quiet walks alone, started learning new skills online, started exercising, started journaling her thoughts instead of crying every night. At first, it felt lonely, very lonely. There were nights she almost returned to the same people who ignored her simply because loneliness felt unbearable. But deep down, Maya knew she could not continue abandoning herself just to feel included. Months later, something strange began happening. The girl who once begged for attention slowly became peacefully alone. She no longer feared silence. She no longer needed constant validation. She no longer chased people who made her feel small. And the more she healed, the more beautiful she became. Not just physically. Her energy changed. Her confidence changed. The sadness in her eyes slowly disappeared. One full year passed. Then one afternoon, Maya walked into a bookstore cafe downtown. Soft sunlight filled the room. People quietly drank coffee while reading books. As Maya sat down near the window, she heard a shocked voice behind her. Maya, she turned around slowly. It was her old group of friends. But this time, They looked at her differently, almost like they were staring at someone they no longer recognized. Because the quiet, insecure girl they once overlooked was gone. Maya looked calm, confident, peaceful. For the first time in her life, she did not look like someone waiting to be chosen. One of them immediately said, "Where have you been? You disappeared." Maya smiled softly. Not angrily, not proudly, just peacefully. Then she replied quietly, "I was finding myself." And in that moment, even they could feel it. Maya no longer needed their approval to feel valuable. That chapter of her life had ended. As the conversation continued, Maya realized something heartbreaking. The people she once begged to notice her were now trying hard to impress her. But strangely, she no longer needed it, because somewhere during that lonely year, Maya finally became the person she had spent her entire life searching for. Herself. This story reminds us that sometimes the saddest feeling is not being alone. It is feeling invisible around people who claim to care about you. Never lose yourself trying to earn love, attention, or acceptance. The right people will never make you beg to feel important. And sometimes, the most powerful thing a person can do is disappear quietly and rebuild themselves in peace. If you liked this story, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and tell us in the comment section, what did you learn from Maya's story?